today's lesson, we're going to be comparing values of different decimals. So looking at these two decimals here, we have 12 thousandths and 2 thousandths. In order to compare, we're going to start by using our place value chart. So we have our two decimals up there at the top. We're going to put them in the place value chart. As we go along, you should be putting these in your place value chart as well. So for the first one, we have 12 thousandths. So we have 0 ones, 0 tenths, 1 hundredth, and 2 thousandths. So that would be what 12 thousandths looks like in the place value chart. Directly under that, we're going to put 2 thousandths. So that would be 0 ones, 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. Go ahead and pause this video and see if you can figure out which one is greater. Alright, so let's start with our biggest place value, which is the ones position right now. So I'm looking at these positions and we have a 0 in both. So that means neither is larger there. Let's move to the right and we have tenths. They're both zeros. So we can't compare them there. And then we move to the hundredths, and I see that I have a 1 here in my 12 thousandths and I have a 0 here. So what number is bigger, 1 or 0? Yeah, 1. So that means that this number, 12 thousandths, is going to be larger. So what I'm going to do is on the back of my place value chart, I'm going to write an expression comparing these two values. So I know this number is larger, 12 thousandths. That means I'm going to make this symbol. So if you think back to your earlier grades, they might have told you that this is kind of like an alligator's mouth. And the alligator always wants to eat the larger number. So his mouth is going to open towards the larger number. So 12 thousandths is greater than 2 thousandths.